Good morning, students. In the last class, we studied about structure and function of that testes. Today, we will study about accessory ducts. Accessory ducts include testes, vas efferentia, epididymis, and vas deferens. And this is the structure that you can see very easily. Vas deferens, testes. This is the structure here. Outermost layer of the testes. This vast difference joined with a duct of seminal vessel to the common ejaculatory duct. Conduction of sperm through accessory duct, how it passes through. This is the pathway of the sperm. Seminiferous tubules to rectestes, vas efferentia, epididymis, vas deferens, common ejaculatory duct, urethra, urethral meatus. Urethra receives the duct of prostate and Cowper gland and passes through the penis. Finally, it passes out through the penis. This is the structure that you can see. Vas deferens, semifinal vessel here, common ejaculatory duct. This is common here. That is common pathway. This is prostate gland. This structure is penis, testes. They include a pair of seminiferous seminal vessel. It is in the pair, one this side, other this side. A prostate gland. This is prostate gland. A pair of Cowper gland, that bulbourethral gland. This is bulbo. This one side, this other two. That is in the pair. Their collective secretion is called seminal plasma. It is rich in fructose, calcium, and enzymes. Seminal plasma plus sperm together form semen. Semen include, what is semen? Semen is sperm with seminal plasma, that together known as semen. Function of seminal plasma: help for transporting a sperm, supply nutrient to the sperm, means that it make the sperm alive, provide alkalinity to counteract acidity of the stress, means that it provide alkalinity, that it maintain the provide alkalinity to counteract acidity of ureters, means the urethra is having that acidic nature, and with alkalinity it counter the acidic nature. Secretion of Cowper gland lubricate the penis, means that it help in lubrication of penis before the release of sperm. Secretion of epididymis, vas deferens, seminal vessel, prostate help for maturing and motility of sperm. Motility means movement of sperm. It facilitate the movement of sperm. It is about the penis, that external genital, that is a kind of copulatory organ. It is made up of special erectile spongy tissue. When spongy tissue is filled with blood, the penis erect. It facilitates insemination, that release of sperm. The cone-shaped tip of the penis is called glans penis. It is covered with purpose, that is called foreskin, that topmost skin of that. Thank you for today.